రాజ్యసభలో భాజపా ఎంపీ బీజేపీ ఓబీసీ మోర్చా జాతీయ అధ్యక్షుడు డాక్టర్ కె లక్ష్మణ్ మహిళలు పసిపిల్లల సంక్షేమంపై అత్యంత ప్రాధాన్యత కలిగిన ఒక కీలక అంశాన్ని లేవనెత్తారు. పాలిచ్చే తల్లులకు పసికందులకు రక్షణ కల్పించడంతో పాటు దేశవ్యాప్తంగా శిశు సంరక్షణ మౌలిక వస్తువులను బలోపేతం చేసేందుకు సమగ్రమైన కేంద్ర చట్టాన్ని తీసుకురావాలని ఆయన కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వాన్ని డిమాండ్ చేశారు.
हमारे सभी सदस्यों से मैं अनुरोध करता हूं इसका समर्थन करें और एक एक्ट लाया जाए सरकार के माध्यम से. विषय है ये नीड फॉर ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सेंट्रल लॉ फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग मदर्स, infants and public child care infrastructure. Sir, I rise to draw the attention of this House to the urgent need for a comprehensive central law to protect the rights of breastfeeding mothers and infants by creating child-friendly public infrastructure across the country. While India has several welfare schemes for women and child, and labor also providing crèche facilities at workplaces, there is still no central law or legislation guaranteeing a mother's right to breastfeed with dignity and privacy in public places. There is also no law mandating feeding rooms, baby changing stations, child care rooms or human milk banks in public institutions. Sir, this issue has already received judicial recognition, following which the Ministry of Women and Child Welfare also advised all the states and union territories to see that the privacy of the women are protected in all public places. The matter is now under the jurisdiction of Supreme Court. The Union government has informed the court that Mission Shakti program incorporates child care support through Anganwadis cum creches. Ministries have advised to establish feeding and changing rooms at airports, have created such facilities. And 2024 advisory has called for gender-friendly public spaces with feeding rooms, rest rooms and crèche facilities. These developments clearly show that this is now a matter of national public policy. However, the existing legal framework remains fragmented and does not create enforceable rights for mothers traveling through railway stations, airports, metro stations, bus terminals, court places, and even universities, government offices, parks and other public places. Therefore, I request and appeal the government to consider enacting a comprehensive act providing for mandatory feeding and child care facilities in all public places, district level human milk banks, national standards, proper maintenance and effective.
धन्यवाद डॉक्टर के